Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, honey. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and if not, I'm sending positive vibes your way, okay? Positive vibes your way. Hey y'all. Alright, y'all, so today we are getting into a recipe. As promised, I said I would do like a loaded tot or a tot casserole. So I decided to do like it's like a buffalo chicken and mac tot casserole. That's a lot. But so we're basically gonna layer some tater tots. We're gonna do some buffalo chicken mac and cheese. We're gonna layer with more tater tots, shredded cheese, and bacon. Okay? Alright, y'all ready? Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I started by seasoning my chicken first thing this morning with the seasonings that you saw. From there, I went ahead and put the chicken into the air fryer to cook it when we were ready to get started. Alright, this is just a close-up of everything we're going to use. The tots, bacon, buffalo sauce, got the cheese, and the macaroni noodles. From there, we line our tater tots onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I baked those at 375 until they were nice and golden brown. I did not pay attention to the exact time. Sorry for that. But you really can just use the time on the bag or cook them to your liking, whatever you choose. So next, we're going to get everything together for the macaroni and cheese, buffalo sauce, all of the cheeses. Right, and here our chicken is done, and I'm just cutting the chicken into nice big cubes. Didn't make them really small. You can make them as small or as big as you like. That is totally up to you. And what I didn't mention before, the cubed up cheese that's inside the bowl is just some cheese I cut up from a Velveeta block. So it's just some slices of Velveeta block that I cut into cubes. We're going to use that when we make our cheese sauce for the macaroni and cheese. Alright, so now I got the noodles cooking. We're going to add our buffalo sauce to our chicken, and we're going to give that a good mix. Make sure it's well coated. I use mild buffalo sauce because my children are going to eat it too, and they don't really like hot stuff like I do. So I used the mild buffalo sauce, and I actually used quite a bit of it because it was mild. So yeah, it won't hurt too much. But again, use it to your liking, as little or as much as you want. So I got out our butter, flour, and milk to make the roux for the macaroni. And here I'm just mixing everything in. I believe I used about 2 tablespoons of butter, about 2 tablespoons of flour, and then about a cup of milk. And I actually made way too much macaroni. I made a whole 1-pound box, and quite honestly, if you're going to use the size pan I did, you can really only make half of that box because it's definitely more than enough macaroni. Alright, so here we're adding in the cubed up cheese, and I also added some cheese that I had in the refrigerator, just some shredded cheddar. I also seasoned it with garlic pepper and onion powder, nothing crazy, just a little seasoning to give it some flavor. I'll pour that sauce into the macaroni, and we're gonna mix it really well. Make sure it's nice and incorporated. Nice coating on that macaroni. Nice creamy macaroni too. And you don't have to make macaroni from scratch. I just chose to do it this time. You can definitely use a box macaroni if that's your choice, you know. However you want to do it, make it your own. Just giving that a good old mix. And we're going to add half of that bag of triple cheddar. And we're going to save the rest of it to top at the end. So mix that right on in there. In the meantime, I'll tell you, I went ahead and lined my aluminum pan with the tater tots. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix that buffalo chicken right into the macaroni and cheese, and we're gonna mix that together really good. And like I said, I already lined the aluminum pan with some of the tater tots. And once we get the buffalo chicken and the mac and cheese mixed up really well, I'm gonna go ahead and put a layer of that over top of the tater tots. I didn't add any extra buffalo sauce. You can if you would like, but I didn't add any extra. I just make sure it gets mixed up really good, and then go ahead and layer that over your tots. A lot of mixing going on here, a lot of mixing. And of course I added the little bit of sauce that was left, still left inside the bowl from the chicken. All right, so here's where we're gonna layer it right over those tots. Nice thick layer. Spread it out nice and even. And like I said, I had too much mac and cheese, so it was still some left over in the bowl. So I just put it in a container, and I'm gonna save it for later. All right, that's how it's gonna look once it's all spread and spread out evenly. And then we're gonna take some mozzarella and put that right over top of our mac and cheese. Now, y'all, I had forgot to cook up the dang on bacon. So you won't see me make the bacon on camera. I sliced it up and cooked it off camera because I had to make it at the last minute. And then remember I said I needed to make more tots, so I threw the rest of the tots in the another half bag of tots inside the air fryer so they can cook up really quickly. All right, so I went ahead and layered those extra tots on the top. We're gonna cover it with the rest of our triple cheddar, and we're gonna take that good old bacon and sprinkle over the top of that, because you know everything is better with bacon. Okay. And then from there we're gonna put it in the oven, still on 375. We're gonna bake it for about 15 minutes just to get the cheeses all nice and melty. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, y'all, into the oven, and then boom, our final product. Look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful, okay? I'm going to stick a fork in so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Look at that. Check that cheese pool. Beautiful. You see that, honey? All right, y'all. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Catch you next time.